guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an entire AI fruit series using just one master prompt. Yep, you heard that right, you guys. Whether you want to create 10, 20, or even 50 episodes, this single prompt will generate everything for you. Like I'm talking about the story, episodes breakdown, visuals, videos, dialogues, thumbnails, titles, SEO, everything. It's gonna go ahead and do that for you that you need to start uploading. So the idea for this video actually came from one of my followers who DM'd me on Instagram and showed me a TikTok account posting these AI fruit drama episodes, which is this account right over here. And you guys can see, honestly, I thought the workflow was really, really interesting. So I spent some time breaking it down, tested different approaches, and finally, I built a master prompt for you guys that basically automates the entire process for you. So, instead of creating everything from scratch every single time, you just need one prompt and AI will do all the heavy lifting for you. So, yeah, guys, this is going to be a complete step-by-step breakdown of the entire workflow from start to finish. I know it's going to be a long video, but trust me, stick with me till the end because you're going to learn a lot from this video. So, yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, you guys, so this is the master prompt that I'm talking about. So it contains everything for you guys. It has total 6 phases, which means is in every phase it's gonna ask you questions what is the story, how you want the story to be like. Then it's gonna break down the story for you, then images, then videos, then the SEO, title, thumbnails, each and everything. Okay, so this is the complete package. So how we're gonna start? Simply, just copying the whole thing. Then we're gonna come into ChatGPT and paste the entire thing right over here, just like that, nothing else. Okay, click on submit. And then ChatGPT is going to recognize that and it's going to say, welcome, I'm your master AI showrunner for viral TikTok style AI fruit operas. Yep, that's exactly what we want. And then for the phase 1, it's going to ask you a few questions what is the core drama concept? Who are the main characters? What is the big opening climax for episode 1? How many total episodes should be outlined? And also, the dialogue lean towards. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and start by answering these questions one by one. I'm gonna go ahead and answer the first question, what is the core drama concept. So let's just say I go ahead and take this one, example one for our first episode. I'm sorry, the first series of episodes. And then who are the main characters? So for the main characters, I'm gonna go for Apple Boss. So 2 would be Apple Boss cheating executive. Then we have the third one, who what is the big opening climax for episode 1? Then let's just say we go ahead and do the third one as Apple CEO. I'm going to do the same thing. And then fourth would be what tone should the dialogue lean toward? We're going to be loud and dramatic. Let's just go ahead and go for that. Here we go. And fifth is asking me for the number of episodes. So let's just say for the first one, we're going to do for the basic, or let's go for 10 episodes. Okay, medium arc. Here we go. So our phase 1 questions are done. So we are now in phase 2, where it has basically taken all of our questions regarding the series of episodes. And now we are in the story Bible. So logline would be, in a prestigious fruit-run corporate empire, a powerful Apple CEO risks everything when his secret affair with a charming strawberry intern begins to unravel. What started as whispered office gossips explodes into a company-wide scandal filled with betrayals, public confrontations, leaked messages, and shocking secrets. Yeah, sounds really dramatic and it's really, really interesting. Okay, then we have the characters as Apple Boss, his personality. Then we have Strawberry Intern. Then we have Orange, Executive Assistant. Then we have Grape Coworker and Lemon, Board Chairwoman. And these are all the characters. And now we have the series roadmap of 10 episodes. So episodes 1 will contain this, episode 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and similarly till the 10. Okay, and then after the phase 2 is done, it's asking me another question for the phase 3, which is, are you satisfied with the story Bible and drama arc? Should we proceed to episodes 1's detailed scene breakdown? Yep, let's just go for that. I'm gonna say yes. And then now it's gonna go ahead and break down the whole detail episode 1 for me. And similarly, you can go ahead and do for episode 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all the way till 10. Doesn't matter how many episodes you got. Okay, so now for the episode 1, we have the complete breakdown, setting and visual atmosphere. Then we have visual style, tone, and then we have the scene 1. It's gonna be camera angle and movement, location details, character actions and expressions. Dialogues would be this. Scene 2, camera angle again, location details, dialogue would be this, and scene 3 and all the way till scene 10. So you guys can take an idea like how much detail and how much information does it have. Like, it's literally crazy. With the help of just one master prompt, we are able to do all that. Okay, and now it's asking me another question for phase 4, which is if I'm satisfied with the scenes and dialogue for episode 1, and would you like to tweak any lines before generating the text to image JSON prompts. I'm gonna say no. Let's go to image prompts. And mind you guys, I'm basically generating image prompts in JSON format because, as you know, in my previous video I told you as well, like, if you want to go ahead and create accurate results, accurate images and videos, always go for JSON prompting is the best way to go, you guys. Okay, and now we have the phase 4 with text to image prompts, Gemini optimized, because we'll be generating images inside of Gemini. We are targeting the free AI tools as much as we can. So yeah, that's always been our motto, you guys, as you guys know. So then we have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, all the way till scene 8. And this is basically all the work for episode 1, mind you guys. Okay, and this exact work we can do for 10 more episodes. So with just one single prompt, you can generate so much stuff like that. Literally, that's crazy. So yeah, now let's just go ahead and start by generating images. We're gonna go ahead and start by scene 1. I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna come inside of Google Gemini, click on plus, click on create image, and then simply paste our the image prompt right over here. Click on submit. All right, so here we go. Here is our first image that is done. Looks really, really good. And similarly, we're going to go ahead and generate all the images with that respectively, one by one. I'm going to copy paste my second scene. And for consistency, you guys, here's a quick tip. If you want to go ahead and create all images, if you want all images to be consistent, so when you generate the first image, so for the first prompt, always go ahead and copy paste your same image in the next prompt, so that your second image should look like the first one and it should be consistent. Okay, so this is a quick tip. I have told this to you guys before, so always follow that. Okay, so our image 2 is being created. All right, it's done. And now we're going to move to our third image, just like that. Copy paste the prompt. I'm going to do copy image and paste this in the third prompt now. Click on submit. And just like that, I'm going to go ahead and create all the images one by one and show it to you guys at the end. Okay. All right. And just like that, as you guys can see, all of our images are done for our episode 1. Okay. So in total, there were 8 scenes. And now, once all of your images are done, we're going to go to the ChatGPT again, where we are generating all of the stuff. And then for the phase 5 is asking me question, are the text to image prompts approved? So I'm going to say yes, approved, so that we can move to the phase 5. Okay, approved. And then it's gonna straight away jump to phase 5. So now we have a scene 1 video prompts. Okay, so we have all the video prompts for our first episode, where we can go ahead and start by generating prompts straight away. So yeah, once all of our images are done, I'm gonna go ahead and straight away download all of these images with me from this download button, just like that. All right, so once all of my images are done, so now comes the part where we have to basically create videos. So for that, again, we'll be using the free method. I'm gonna go for Google Flow. So as there are 8 scenes, so I think 2 to 3 accounts of Google Flow would be create me this. So don't worry, you guys. Google Flow credits basically refresh every single day. You get 50 credits in each account, so you can basically create these kind of episodes every single day for free, you guys. Okay, so that's always I do. All right, so I'm going to go inside of the homepage of Google Flow, click on create project, start by uploading my images over here one by one. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and upload 3 images over here. Then the next 3 images in the next account. Then the last 2 images in my last account. So why did I do that? Because, we get 50 credits in every account. So for 10-second video, it takes around 15 credits. So I'll be able to create three videos in every account. Okay, so yeah, once our images are uploaded, so now comes the part where we have to create videos. So for the video prompts, we already created that inside of ChatGPT in phase 5. I'm gonna go ahead and simply start by copy pasting every single prompt. So scene 1 is this. We're gonna go over here, just copy paste the prompt right over here. Make sure the tweaks we have is ingredients 9:16. We have to select only flash, 10 seconds, and X1. Okay, so then after the prompt is inputted, simply drag your image, place it into the add ingredients section right over here, and then click on submit. And similarly, we're going to go ahead and do that for scene 2. Copy paste the prompt right over here. Drag the image to add ingredients, just like that. Then scene 3. Copy paste the prompt, drag to add ingredients, just like that. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do exactly same for all of the rest of the videos, okay? All right, and just like that, all of our videos have been generated. So let me just go ahead and show it to you, just for you guys to get an idea like how it's going to look like.
You know, most interns don't get invited to five-star restaurants.
Keep your voice down.
Relax. What could possibly happen?
All right, so this is the first one. Then we have the second scene.
No way. This is better than reality TV.
Okay, looks good. Then we have the third one right over here.
Why do you look like you're being audited?
I just remembered I have a board meeting tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
A very important tomorrow.
Okay, looks great. Then let's just do the fourth scene, see how it looks like.
Wait, is that the CEO? Then explain this.
What's wrong?
Oh, this is absolutely going into the group chat. Where are you right now? Working. Working. Extremely working. Interesting.
All right, so once all of my videos are downloaded, so the next step is we need to go ahead and edit all of these videos together. So for that, you can use CapCut, you can use any video editor of your choice. I like using Filmora because that's very convenient for me. So what I did is I basically combine all the clips with me, like, together, align them in one go. And then you can basically go ahead and input the background music of your choice. I went for this one, the TikTok famous one. You guys probably know this is the famous TikTok song that's going really trendy nowadays. And after you have edited all the clips together, simply need to export this. And let me show you the final output to you guys.
You know, most interns don't get invited to five-star restaurants.
Keep your voice down.
Relax. What could possibly happen?
No way. This is better than reality TV.
Why do you look like you're being audited?
I just remembered I have a board meeting tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
A very important tomorrow. Oh, this is absolutely going into the group chat. Wait. Is that the CEO? Where are you right now? Working. Working. Extremely working. Interesting. Then explain this. We're in trouble.
How much trouble?
All right, so after your video is done, so now this master prompt also provides you the SEO for different social media platforms as well as the thumbnails. So after, the phase 5 is going to ask question for phase 6, which platform are we publishing on first, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts? So I basically went ahead and said TikTok, and for that, it basically provided me all the SEO, like, video viral clickbait title, then we have alternative titles, then TikTok caption, then we have few hashtags as well, and then also it provided me the master thumbnail prompts. So this thumbnail prompt is extremely useful, and if I go ahead and input that over here, so you guys can see this is the thumbnail we got, and with the help of this editable text, you can input the episode number, the new title that is going to provide you for the every single episode, and we can create similar kind of thumbnails. Just the text would be changed. These are reusable thumbnails. You can create that for every single episode of your series, you guys, right? So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the full lengthy step-by-step process. You can go ahead and basically create the whole series of AI fruit videos with the help of one master prompt. So again, I'm going to provide the link down in the description for the master prompt. And if you want any other links, you can comment down below. And if you have any video suggestion, you can comment down below as well, or you can DM me on Instagram as well at aizenstudios.yt. Until then, take care, you guys. Bye-bye.